It's the crazy one, Rico.
Hi, my name is Godswill Umukoro. This video will be demonstrating how to build and deploy WordPress websites on DigitalOcean. Now, during this coronavirus pandemic, a lot of us are indoors, and this is a great time for most of us to pick up new skills, and I'm sure you'll enjoy this video. Most importantly, I want you to take good care of yourself, stay indoors, wash your hands, and stay healthy. Enjoy the video. Let's begin by going to the landing page. If you click on the link I provided down on YouTube, you get $100 worth of DigitalOcean credit for 60 days. Alright, so here on the landing page, just sign up, fill in your information, and click on create your account. I already have an account, so I'll just sign in. I'll need to verify. So this is the next step. We need to set up our billing information. As it says the $100 credit will be applied immediately after the payment method is added. One thing you need to note though is you need to have at least $5 in your account. So either using PayPal or your debit or credit card, make sure you have at least $5 in your account, otherwise this might not work. So I'll go ahead and fill in my information. You do that and we'll meet on step 3. Okay, payment method successfully added. This is really awesome. We are on step 3. If we're able to make it this far, congratulations. So we need to set up our first project, create the project name. So I could just write like test website. What's the purpose? What technology would you be using? Just go ahead and look for WordPress. Yeah, that's it. You may not see that page, but don't worry. If you don't see that page, you can just go to new project and then follow up. So we've been able to create a droplet, a WordPress droplet. What this does is it creates a server for you, and it installs Ubuntu, and then it configures WordPress for you, so you don't need to worry much about that. Let's click on that and let's configure our droplet. First thing you need to do is set up how much you want to be billed per hour. I think the minimum will be good for now, $5 per month, and then depending on where you are in the world, select where you want your data sets to be. For me, I would prefer Amsterdam, and we'll scroll on to hostname. You can leave it as it is. I would like to just call it WordPress for simplicity, and click on create droplet. So it's installing all the configurations we just set up. Alright, we're good. So we click on get started. You can see that we have $100 of credit. So it's giving us information on how to get started, what we need to do. There's something called SSH, and we'll need to do all of that right about now. So we go back, and when we click on this this right here, we see that we have our IP address. So we just need to copy that and then go to our terminal. If you're running Mac, go to your terminal. If you're using Windows, you can use some other tools. So what we need to do is we need to type some things. So first of all, let's actually even see our website so we'll know what it looks like. So just copy that IP address and paste it, and you see that it's saying that you need to log in with SSH. So what we need to do now is, you see it's written down here, you need to type this SSH root at your droplet IP. So we'll do that right now and click on enter. It says, are you sure you want to connect your own key to the website? So you click on yes, you type yes rather. So you need to put in your password to this website, not your computer password, and you can find that I think in your email. Yeah, so you are given a password here, and this is it. So you just copy that password given to you and you paste it right here. So you would need to change your password, and that's what I was able to show you. So this password here, you need to automatically change it right now. So we put in the current password, you enter the new password, again you do it, okay. So we need to provide a domain name, so just go ahead. Actually, I'll just say alright, so we need to put in our email address for the WordPress account. Your username, again your password that you want for the WordPress account. Blog title, you can leave it just like that. Oh, you can't actually leave it. Is this information correct? Y means yes. Would you like to use let's encrypt? Let's encrypt. Well, we don't have to use that now. We can always use that at another time. So I'll say no. And it's completing the configuration. Alright, so it's done. It's done now. It says installation complete. So let's go back to our website. Which is this IP. Now let's just refresh the page, and you see that what we just did on our terminal automatically configured our server, our websites. Basically everything is good to go now. I guess my internet connection is a bit down, that's why it's loading like this, but you get the idea, right? My internet connection is a bit bad, that's why it's loading this poorly. So we're able to install WordPress on DigitalOcean. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section, and kindly like and subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate that. You can also share this video with your
It's
friends.
the crazy one.
And that's it. Stay safe.